So here's the rest of the corner here. This was the old hub. There's the firehouse there. Still standing. The tower's still standing. So this is Coral Place. And Great Mills Road is over there. There's the post office, which is remaining. Look at all the, that's the basement of the building there. Look at the steel pieces. Yeah. It's gonna be a Royal Farms as soon as they get all this torn down. Trucking things away right now. There goes another truckload of debris. Tearing it down. A lot of work. One scoop at a time. There's another view. Interesting stuff. Progress. So here's another view of the stuff that's being torn down. Hey, look. Thrift store. Entrance is still there. This was originally a grocery store on this corner of this building complex here. But the last thing it ended up being was a thrift store. This is Route 235. There's the gate 2 of the Navy base. And here's the what's left of this complex. So the Royal Farms will be right here. That's the folks that are doing it. That's the old library. Now it's they do plays there. Yep. Changes are coming. Thanks for watching. Catch everybody on the next one. Please like, share, subscribe, all the YouTubey things. We really appreciate it. Have a good day.